Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Skylight frame. First, gather all your tools, including a drill, tape measure, level, and sealant. Make sure you have all the frame components ready. Next, prepare your roof opening, ensuring it is clean, dry, and free of debris. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and watertight installation. Taking these first steps carefully will save you time and effort later on, ensuring a smooth process. Before placing the frame, double-check your rough opening. It should typically be about 1/2 inch larger than the Skylight frame itself, both in width and length. Apply a generous, continuous bead of high-quality, approved sealant around the entire perimeter of the rough opening. This creates your primary weather barrier. Also, take a moment to inspect the Skylight frame for any manufacturing defects or shipping damage. Addressing these now prevents future issues. Now, carefully lower the Skylight frame into the prepared opening. Make sure it sits flush and is centered. Using a level, check all 4 sides to ensure the frame is perfectly level and square. This is vital for the window's operation and preventing leaks. Secure the frame to the roof structure using the manufacturer-recommended fasteners, typically 8 to 12 screws, evenly spaced. Drive them firmly but avoid over-tightening, which could warp the frame. With the frame secured, it is time for the critical sealing phase. Apply the recommended flashing materials around the entire frame, overlapping layers correctly to shed water. Follow this with another continuous bead of sealant along all seams and edges where the flashing meets the roof and frame. Double-check all fasteners to ensure they are tight. Finally, conduct a thorough visual inspection for any gaps or areas that might allow water intrusion. A watertight seal is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.